Tutorial, please. Edit tutorial? Seriously, please edit tutorial. When? Yeah, I'm gonna need a tutorial.
Drop the tutorial.
No,
oh my god.
Where's the tutorial?
Actually, no. Drop the tutorial. How to edit like day.
So I did a poll on my YouTube saying what you guys wanted for 600 subscribers. And most of you guys said you wanted an edit tutorial. So that's what we're doing today. Before we begin with the video, I do want to give a quick disclaimer. Most of these QR codes are my own, and if you do use some of my QR codes, make sure to give credits, because I do use a lot of time on the QR codes and I don't want people to just claim them as their own. Also, this video is not for completely beginners. A lot of these things can sound too complicated if you're a new beginner, so I definitely wouldn't use this as my first tutorial video, but maybe like the third or something. Now let's get on with the video. Okay, so yeah, let's begin. This is the format I'm using. What the I don't know the difference. No. I love that audio so much. Okay, so now I split the scenes like any other person do on the beats. Okay, so while I split the scenes, I just want to say huge thank you so much for 600 subscribers. Like, hello, I'm so freaking grateful. Thank you. Yeah. So now that it's split on beat, it's time to add your clips. And you gotta add like some Savage Diva ones, or else it's gonna look choppy and bad. So make sure you have a Savage Diva person to edit. And yeah, that's the most important thing. So I'm gonna edit her at the neck. Oh, I think that's perfect. Okay, and now just split it. I like the beat, the intro beat. That's cute. And now just add all your other clips. Hey guys. Oh wait, I already did the intro, but I added all the clips. Y'all want to see how it looks? Yes, you do. This is how it looks. So now it's time for velocity. It is actually really important for your edits, because me personally, if I do not have velocity on my edits, they look crap. So that's why it's very important to have velocity. And if you want to do velocity, you're gonna go, if you do the intro clip first, you're gonna go next clip. You split it in the start. So yeah. And I'm incredibly sick. My nose is blocked or stuffed, or whatever you want to call it. I call it blocked. So I can't breathe out of my nose, and I can't taste anything, and my throat hurts super bad, but I'm still doing this video for you guys. Velocity. And I want to go to QR codes, because me personally, I don't really like to do velocity. I mean, I have done my own velocity and stuff like that, and I know how to do it. I'm just too lazy to do every clip where you go like 1, 2, 3, 1 down and stuff like that. So I just have a QR code for it. This is the QR code. Yes, it is my own. I know it doesn't like say my watermark and stuff like that, but it's my own. Yeah, you can see there's like a little velocity, and you're gonna do that to every clip. If there's like a clip where you want reverse velocity, for example, I want reverse like velocity where it goes like up and then it goes back down again, you're gonna add this QR code. That looks super cool. And you just like repeat. If you want any reverse, you don't have to add reverse, and I don't like always add reverse. I usually just do velocity, but I just want some reverse on these clips. So if you want reverse on any of them, do reverse, and if you just want normal velocity, just use the normal velocity QR code. Okay, wait a second. I added velocity to all my clips, and I did reverse velocity, and I did velocity, and you guys, these clips are so good quality. Like, come on now, this is how it looks. Quality is gonna be T. Like, already, look at this. Look at that. Now it's time for the next most important part, and that is, ladies and gentlemen, zooms. And I love zooms so much because they just like make the edit really come together, and you can really see it. Of course, of course, I also have a QR code for that. If you're gonna keep doing the zooms, like, of course, like, I don't have like QR codes for effects and stuff like that, but I do have QR codes for like zooms and velocity, because if you're gonna do the same thing to every clip, might as well do it make it a QR code. Like, that's still editing, guys, and I made it myself. Okay, enough of that. You're always gonna start off with zoom in out, because if you start off with zoom out in, it's gonna look choppy. Trust. Start off with zoom in out, and this is what I use. This is my own QR code. Give credits. If you use this, give credits, guys. Give credits. Yeah. 8 as always. And now for the next one, if you want to make it like smooth and cool like that, you gotta have it zoom out in. This one. Look at that. I know it is. So first one is zoom in out, and last one is zoom out in. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day. That's how it's gonna look if you add my zooms. And yeah, let's go to, I'll get back when I'm done with zooms. I'm done with all the zooms right now. Wait, I gotta go do something about my nose. So this is how it's looking because I added zooms. So that's how it's looking. Okay, so this is the effects, and this is the part of the video that's gonna get very, very, very long. First of all, if you've seen my edits, you know I'm not the biggest fan of like Interstart having a crazy shake. So I'm gonna do a slide down instead. And yeah, guys, let's do that. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that. You know what? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna put 2 QR codes up on the screen because I don't really want to teach you guys right now. And if you wanna like try yourself, you gotta find this tutorial, sweetie, because I could do a tutorial, but not right now. I'm not in the mood. Okay, guys, so when all the slides are done, this is how it will look. So now it's time for like all the special effects. And here you can hear like a beat. So I'm gonna make like a flash kinda. So you can hear like there's a beat. Here. So at the beat, you're gonna make a flash. I'm gonna do like a reveal here. It's like I'm gonna do a rotating border here. Please don't make me think it, make me. So you're gonna merge the scenes, like this, and just like set start and like that. To the two scenes. You're just gonna use this QR code. It's my own again, so, and you don't need to give credits for this one because I used a YouTube video to this one, and I know it's gonna be black, right? But you're just gonna go to like the second layer and then add mask and find this one and then click on this one. I'm gonna use some like blur, well, not blur, but like motion blur. And you're gonna do motion blur. You can always just search it up. And then do 50 in the end. And then tap on like the timeline 2 times. And then make it 0. And I'm just gonna make this. This is just like the opposite. So you're gonna go like this. And you're gonna go to edit keyframes. Tap on the timeline 2 times. And then make it 0. 30-second clip. I'm gonna make this like saturation go down a little. You're gonna make and go to the end and then make it 0. No, maybe 10. So basically just add random effects. This one is gonna be flashes. These, so you're gonna go to color and find light rays and just like kind of adjust it on like how you want it. This is cool. And then I go to edit keyframes and go to the very start. Now go to the very end and then make it look whatever. So it's like the other. Oh my god, I'm so sorry that we were having like some freaking workers. So it like turns like that. Oh, wait, I'm gonna put my microphone on. Okay, like that, so I don't think you guys can hear so much background noises. And then multi-layer, yes. And go to layer 1, click your normal clip where there's like no light rays. And then your second clip where there's light rays. Then edit keyframes. Here it's 0. Here's 100. Right here, and like right here, you're gonna have like a keyframe there, and then at the end it's gonna be 0. I think like that's it for the first part. Now for the loop, you need to like go to the second like this transition clip. Oh, wait, make sure you're like have the end split, and you're gonna click on copy. No, you're gonna click on merge scenes again, and then set start. And at the end here, you're gonna set end clips together, and you gotta make sure like you're positive that you have all the effects you want and stuff like that. I'm not, guys, because I actually forgot one thing. I'm gonna do fades, because fades are so important and I always forget it, but they make it look so much better. Look, I know I'm lazy, but again, I don't want to do fade in, fade out, fade in, fade and out for every clip. So fade in and fade out does so your clip like fades in and fades out. And it looks so much more smooth. So I'm just gonna do that to every clip. Okay, so now all the fades are done, and this is how it's supposed to look. Hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, so now you're gonna do what I said you're gonna do before. You're gonna set start and you're gonna set end and merge.
because now I have all the things ready. And when you have all the things, like all the clips merged together, you're gonna clip on copy, and then go to the second where it's the loop, and just paste it. No. Now you're gonna copy it, and now you're gonna paste it. That's perfect. Black screen and then white screen. This is how it's supposed to look. Yeah, that was it for my edit tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye!